If Steam is giving you error 88, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Steam error 88 means, why it happens, and the fastest ways to fix it without wasting time. This error is usually an initialization problem, and most of the time it means the process cannot access a file because another program is already using it. So if Steam tries to launch your game and something else is holding that file open, the game can fail to start. The good news is, this is usually very fixable. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard. Once Task Manager opens, look carefully through the Processes tab for any zombie instances of the game you're trying to launch, or even the game's launcher if it's still running in the background. Sometimes a game closes visually, but the process does not fully stop. If you see anything related to that game, click on it, then select End Task. This forces Windows to fully close the stuck process and often releases the file lock right away. After that, go ahead and try launching Steam again. If the error is still there, the next step is to restart your PC. I know this sounds simple, but it is one of the fastest and most effective ways to fix locked files. A restart clears temporary background processes, resets system resources, and forces Windows to release files that were being held by another application. So click Restart, let your computer fully reboot, and then try Steam again after Windows loads back up. If error 88 still appears, the next thing you should check is your antivirus software. In some cases, antivirus programs can block or quarantine files that Steam needs during launch, which can trigger this initialization error. Open your antivirus settings and look for an exclusion, exceptions, or allowed item section. Then add your Steam folder to the exclusion list. This tells your antivirus to leave Steam files alone, which can prevent the locked file issue from happening again. Make sure you add the correct Steam installation folder, not just a random shortcut. If you are not sure where it is usually in Program Files or Program Files 86, depending on how Steam was installed. After adding the exclusion, save the changes and test the game again. If you still run into Steam error 88, there is one more fix that works surprisingly well. Open Steam, go to Settings, then click Downloads. Inside the Download section, find the option that says Clear Cache and click it. This clears temporary download and manifest files that may be stuck in a locked state and interfering with game launches. After clearing the cache, Steam may ask you to log in again, and that is normal. Just sign back in and try launching your game one more time. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. Start with Task Manager, then restart your PC, then add Steam to your antivirus exclusions, and finally clear the Steam download cache. These are the most reliable fixes for Steam error 88, especially when the issue is caused by a file being used by another process. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe because it really helps the channel and keeps more quick fix guides coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.